You want a guy to think about you all the time, but not sure how to do it? Well, you came to the right place. Hello, my name is Greta Bereisaite. I'm dating and relationship coach for women. For the awesome high-value women secrets, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. And just before, I will share with you 3 ways on how to make him think about you non-stop. Don't forget to take my free self-awareness test to find out are you behaving as a high-value or a low-value woman, which you'll find in the video description box below. And also, quite recently, I published my ebook, which is called Devoted Relationships. It's a really good ebook as I put all I've got into it, all the newest content. And you can get that ebook in the video description box below. And also check out my merch, His Goals and Not the Drama, that you can get on my website as well. So you feel like he's not paying much attention to you, doesn't listen when you speak, doesn't ask about your day, or it looks like his interest is fading away. Ladies, not a problem. By the end of this video, I will give you 3 proven high-value techniques that you will be able to apply straight away and will get a man not to only think about you all the time, but also increase his love and attraction for you immediately. Step 1, be mysterious. Ladies, if you are talking to him all day, every day, sharing your feelings, sharing your emotions, and each step that you take during the day, not only that you are becoming an open book, but you are also showing too much interest and pursuing him with your attention. Keep doing this for a few months and you will see he will be gone. Why? Because he will get bored as you're focusing way too much on him. You're not being mysterious enough. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't mean you should be playing games and give him breadcrumbs or pretending to be busy when you're not, or purposely ignoring him so he wonders about you. Definitely not. That's not what I mean at all. What I mean is you will naturally become more mysterious when you will not put him on a pedestal and will focus on building a life. Will put your focus on your path, on the purpose of your life. Your guy is not your life purpose. When you will die, God is not going to ask you which guy you married. He will ask you what have you done with the life that I gave you. And on top of that, when we are busy and focused on the right things, we don't have all the time in the world to write to each other essays and share feelings. Therefore, get busy and automatically you will become mysterious in a healthy way. Step 2, control your emotions. Have emotional control when he's teasing you. So I recently published a little short. My sister always laughs at me. She's like, what did you publish? A t-shirt? I'm like, no, it's short. She's like, what? Short? From the movie Anna with an E. Basically, this boy is teasing the girl in the class by calling her names. Then the girl advises her new friend not to show the boys when they upset you. And I just thought, what a great advice. Basically, if he's being nasty to you, don't show him that he has upset you. Because if someone is being rude or disrespectful, it is because it's their goal to upset you. They are doing it on purpose. Therefore, don't give him the satisfaction of getting upset and ignore their ridiculous behavior, or else he'll do it again. Ladies, how to control your emotions and every single step on how to be high value. I have an incredible course for sale and I'll drop the link to that course in this video description box below as well. And the number 3 step is be a challenge. Don't fall for him too quickly. Take your time, let him pursue you, take you out on dates, get to know the real person before letting your fantasies go wild and assume that you are in love just after 2 dates. If physical intimacy messes up with your head, which, let's admit, ladies, most of the time it does, a lot, don't do it for a while. That's why people used to get intimate only when we know the person really well. And only by knowing a person really well through their actions, that's when you can actually decide with your brain and with your heart, is this person good enough for you? Is the guy worthy of you? Will he be the one that's responsible? Will he be the one that you can trust? Will he be the one that takes care of you? And you can see all of this only through dating a person for a while and through watching their actions. So why would you hurry giving intimacy and shooting yourself in the foot and after realize that you give the most precious part of you to the guy who's actually a clown? And on top of that, behaving this way not only is wise, but also he will see you as a challenge, and it will make him think of you more, because when everyone is available on a plate, the one with self-respect and value becomes very intriguing and attractive. So ladies, these were my 3 steps on how to make a guy think of you non-stop. If you liked this video, please press like. Let me know in the comments below what did you think. Join Greta's High Value Women's School, where we are all in the same boat, learning how to be women of high value and bring out the best in our men. Follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is called Ladies Relationship Coach. Get my High Value Woman course, where I talk all about what is a woman of high value woman behaviors, patterns, how to be a challenge for a man, games men play, and many, many more things. If you would like some one-on-one, you can book me or a member of my team through my website, Bereisaite.com. I'll put all the links in the video description box below. Thank you for watching, my queens. Kisses from Dorset.